Hey guys, how y'all doing today? It's Wendy. I am here. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm cooking dinner. We are going to have tacos. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm going to eat this or not. I was just thinking of something quick and easy for the kids, and my kids love tacos, and we usually have them about once a week. So I'm just going to make this for them, but I'm really not in the mood for tacos. I may warm me up some chicken. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll probably brown me a couple of quesadillas and warm me up some chicken and do like a quick chicken quesadilla. Maybe put some tomato and sour cream on it. I'm just not really in the mood for ground beef tacos today for some reason. But this is what I use, the Old El Paso nacho cheese flavored taco shells. And I get it at Aldi a lot of times, but if they don't have it, I'll get it at Walmart. It's cheaper there than it is at Kroger, and it's got the shells, the seasoning, and the sauce. And it's usually about $2 or $5, so I try to kind of, stay stocked up on that. And so I've just been cooking dinner. Just started cooking dinner now, and I was on the go all day today. Had to take my son to the doctor. He thought that he had a concussion. We had soccer tournaments all weekend, and they literally played in the pouring down rain. And they were slipping and sliding on the field, and they were doing headshots. And so he got hit in the head a couple of times, and so he was saying that his head was hurting. And I thought that it was just, maybe sinuses from being out in the cold yesterday and the rain. But then he was saying no, that it was like actually hurting. So anyways, I had to take him to the doctor today. And then I've been on the hunt for a couple of things that I've seen people hauling at Dollar Tree. So I went to Dollar Tree today trying to find that. And then I went to bargain hunt. I don't know if there's a bargain hunt everywhere, but there's a bargain hunt here, and I love going in bargain hunt. They get a lot of stuff that is marked down, that is zeroed out from Target, and then they'll sell it, and they get a lot of like Halloween stuff. I have a ton of stuff from Halloween from last year because we threw a Halloween party at our neighborhood, what is it, like a party rental house or whatever? Clubhouse is what I'm trying to say. So I had a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to run in there today and to see if they had anything new. And so I did find a few things in there, and I'll do a haul on that. It's not that much stuff, but I'll do a haul on that because I will be getting ready for Halloween soon. It'll be here before you know it, October 1st. So I did that, and then I ran into, what is the name of that store? It used to be Garden Ridge. What is it called now? Like, can't think of the name of it. If y'all know what I'm talking about, that it's not Garden Ridge, but it's the big store where they sell all the home stuff. It's not Home Goods. It'll come to me in a minute. But anyways, I stopped in there today, and I found some really cute pillows that I wanted for Halloween. And so I came home. Since I was gone all day, I literally dropped the kids off at school and didn't come back until I picked them up from school. Oh, and I went by Taco Bell today because I saw somebody they were reviewing the new sour apple caramel drink at, well, I guess it's an icy, at Taco Bell. So I wanted to try that, so went by there and picked that up after I got my son home from school, and we tried that. It was really good. If I get it next time, I will. I'll probably do a review on it for you guys. It was really good. Really, if you like sour apple, you're gonna love it. And if you go between 2 and 5 at Taco Bell, they're only $1 for a medium size. And but if you like caramel, ask for extra caramel because they don't really put that much. So it's mostly a green apple. It's got like a little bit of caramel in it, not much. So anyways, I came home. This disaster right here is all stuff that I need to, I cleaned my bedroom. So this stuff is stuff that I need to return. Over the weekend I bought new curtains and I picked up the wrong size, so I need to return them. I had bought this candle I told you guys about at Bath and Body Works, and it was $12. I'm returning that since I found those other ones cheaper. Oh, and by the way, that candle that I got right here from Kirkland's, I told you I bought it last week and it was a $5 and some change. It does not put off that much odor. I would not repurchase this. So that's cobblestone candle. Yeah, girls, don't even waste your time. I got my windows open. It's really nice and breezy out today. It's not hot. It rained a lot, so it's cooled down. And now this candle right here I picked up last year, but they still sell them at Marshall's. I was in TJ Maxx today and they have some as well, and they smell great. Sensational natural soy candle. These smell way better than that one from Bath and Body Works that was more expensive. And let me just check on my meat. I just wanted to come on here because I haven't had a chance to talk to y'all. I was busy all weekend. I did do a video yesterday on what I cooked for dinner, just in case anybody's interested. I'm going to be posting that soon. I'm going to post that later on today, this evening rather. I'm going to be posting that. And what did I cook last night? I cooked chicken Alfredo, but then I also had shrimp. I mixed mine. I had shrimp and chicken. And then the kids just had chicken Alfredo. Okay, so this is almost done. I'm just going to go ahead and get ready. I'm going to let that cook for just another minute. But I wanted to show you guys, I like to kind of warm up my house and get it feeling cozy. So what I like to do is make sure I've got nice blankets and pillows out that I can like snuggle up with. Make sure my house is clean. So I came home, I cleaned. Sarah's over there doing her homework. I cleaned up the house and lit my candles and sprayed. I always vacuum and spray with Lysol to make sure my house is clean. And I was thinking about what kind of movies that we have that would be good fall movies. So I got out my movies. Hold on just a second, guys. I've got to put the sauce in here before it burns. The seasoning, rather. Okay, take this out. Okay, so I need to add some water. Warm that. Just trying to get some water in here, guys. Okay, let's see if that's enough. I may need some more. I'm for sure going to need some more water, and then I'm going to turn this up a little bit and use this cup, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Got that little thing on the inside, isn't that cute? Got that last year at Marshall. Let's see if this is going to be enough. Okay, so let's see. I need to find something in my dishwasher to kind of hold on a second, guys. I was trying to get this thing out of my dishwasher. I don't like the ground beef in big chunks. And turn it back down. Let that kind of simmer. I may actually need a little bit more water, and I'm going to turn on the oven so I can get ready to warm up my shells. Okay. I'm going to let that do its thing right there. So, I came in here, we have all these movies and DVDs and videos, VHS movies. So I was pulling out the ones that I thought would be good for the fall time. So I thought this, Sling Blade, of course Richard Gere and Winona Ryder, Autumn in New York. Let me turn on the light because it's kind of dark over here. Oh. Okay, so this is a great movie. If you haven't seen this, I ordered it off of eBay and I only paid maybe $3 for it, and it is a great movie. I love to watch this in the fall time. The Odd Life of Timothy Green. Sarah loves this, Cheaper by the Dozen. Of course, I love this, The Sound of Music. A Little Princess, this is good anytime. The Wizard of Oz. Casper, The Haunting. If you have not seen this, you've got to watch this. It is so good. Richard Gere, Red Corner. Great movie. Rain Man. Shall We Dance? Great movie. Hide and Seek. This is a really good movie. Tom Hanks' Big. Of course, The Conjuring, Matilda, and The Perfect Man. So those are the movies that I picked out for us for the fall. And then, whoop, The Gremlins, no. Client is good. 50 First Dates is good. Ella Enchanted, that one's more of like Christmas. Ghostbusters. So those, I think that's it on the fall movies. And then we made a list of some movies that I'm gonna order for the fall. Let's see. We've got Bewitched on our list, Beetlejuice, Halloween, Hocus Pocus, French Kiss, and maybe Teen Witch. And if you guys know of any good movies for the fall or Halloween, leave me a comment down below and let me know, and I'll check it out. So that's it, guys. I'm just trying to get done cooking dinner, and then I've got this mess in my bedroom that I need to finish. I got my room cleaned, I got my bed made. I went today and picked up some new picture frames, and I'm going to be doing a DIY with the picture frames. And then I've got this load of laundry I need to put away. This is some decor that I had out that I ended up not using, so I've got to put this up. And then I've got a DIY coming up with this, mirror effects. And that's it. I'm going to try to, after dinner, get all that stuff put away, and then I can finally sit down and take a break. Sarah said she is done with her homework. All she's got to do is read. So we are good. And I have a new boyfriend. I'm really excited. I forgot to tell you guys that. And probably not going to have time to get into it now. That'll be another video in itself, so I will do that coming up soon. But that is it for today, guys. I am just going to get off of here and finish cooking dinner, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. Happy Monday to everybody. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 500 subs as soon as possible. So if you know anybody that's not subbed to my channel, please ask them to sub. When I get to 500 subs, I'm doing a giveaway. So try to help me get there, please. And that's it, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.